Hey, what's going on guys? It's Sir Mau again, and so today I'm gonna teach you how to fix the large file transfer error for your USB device or USB storage. Okay, so this only happens when you have a USB device just like mine. This is a USB storage which is 16 gig, and when I try to transfer a video file, a single file with a size of 6.48 gigabytes or 7 gig, I get the error in transferring. I can transfer the file. Okay, so this happens every time for my two USB sticks. Okay, so which means this is a typical error for Windows. Okay, so let me show you the problem that I encounter. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this file, video file. Actually, this video file is for my YouTube channel. This is scheduled for upload. Okay, so I'm gonna upload this one maybe this week or next week. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna copy this file, then transfer it with my USB 16 gigs. Okay, so if I paste it, boom, you get the error, file too large. Okay, the file insane thinker is too large for the destination file system. Okay, so you get this error every time. Okay, it doesn't matter which USB type you get unless you get the right format of the USB. Okay, so what I mean with the right format. Okay, so what you're gonna do is just like this. Click on this PC for Windows 10, and if you're running Windows 7, click on my computer. Okay, so for this case, I have the Windows 10. So this is this PC. Okay, so click on that and click on the USB device that you wanna paste it on the file. Okay, so click on this and right click and click format. Okay, this is the important part. Okay, if you click format, make sure to click the file system for NTFS. Okay, so after the file system NTFS, check the allocations unit size. Okay, make it the default allocation size, just like that, and try to reformat. Okay, try to format the device, wait for it to finish, and after that we will try to copy or cut the file. Okay, so now we'll try to copy the file. Okay, so let's copy this file and paste it, and boom, just like that. Okay, so okay guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you find this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell beside the subscribe button so you will be updated for my next tutorials and my next videos. See you next time.